To enable the PUBG server timeout feature, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you adjust your settings for better gaming experience. Step 1. Open PUBG. Launch the PUBG game on your device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet and logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once in the game, navigate to the main menu and locate the settings option. This is usually represented by a Get icon. Step 3. Go to Gameplay Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Gameplay Settings tab. This section contains various options related to game mechanics and performance. Step 4. Locate Server Timeout option. Scroll through the gameplay settings until you find the Server Timeout option. This setting allows you to adjust how long the game waits for a server response before timing out. Step 5. Enable and adjust timeout. Toggle the Server Timeout option to enable it. You may also have the option to set the duration for the timeout. Choose your preferred time limit and save your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully enable the Server Timeout feature in PUBG. Enjoy your gaming.